A great morning to you all children. I welcome you to the next session of English. This is the session for grade 9. Here in the slide you could see the picture something over here. This is the picture of the lost child. Have you come across this title anywhere children? Or have you heard this title somewhere? Have you seen this title somewhere? Yes, it is going to be the first supplementary lesson in your Moments book, that is your supplementary book. What is the name of your supplementary book? Moments. So the first lesson in Moments book is The Lost Child. Who is the author of this story, The Lost Child? It is Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand. Do you know anything about the writer Mulk Raj Anand? Yes, you are good. He is an Indian writer. Now, let us get into the story. You may think like, Ma'am has not given us any introduction. I have not given you here the introductory slides. But, just to recall and get things of the Zoom class, I asked you to attend the Zoom class with your textbook, with your supplementary textbook. Do you remember children? And I asked you to look at the pages of the book. I asked you for the title of the story. What is the title of the story? The Lost Child. The participants of Zoom session you know. I asked you for the title of the story. I asked you about the writer. And we have seen like the story runs for how many pages? 6 pages. I gave you some work from that. Do you remember children? That happened yesterday. I came for a Zoom session and I told you like, I gave you some parts that has to be narrated. And you also volunteered yourself. Yes ma'am, we will do the work. So, the introductory part of the story is already given to you. That is the reason why I am starting with the first slide. What is the title of the story, children? It is The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand. When you look at the title of the story, tell me now, what is the thing that comes to your mind when you look at the title of the story, The Lost Child? Child, can you get back to your childhood days now? How was your childhood days, children? I used to speak a lot with my friends regarding my childhood days. And I will always tell my friends, I'll always tell my colleagues, even I will share with my family members that my childhood days are the best days. Like I feel like jumping over to childhood days. The innocence of childhood days will never come back. Yes, no children? When we see a child, okay, really we feel like just lifting them. We feel like kissing them. The innocent face in them, the way, the expressions they have, it really kills us. It attracts us. Even you will have a thought. I have a thought like, why don't my childhood days again, it will never come back. I have a thought like that. Do you have a thought like that? Maximum people will have a thinking like that. So here, the lost child. Some child is lost here. And this is a story written by Mulk Raj Anand, who is an Indian writer. Have you come across any of his stories, children? Mulk Raj Anand stories? Have you read a novel, Coolie by Mulk Raj Anand, which depicts the society, which brings out the society? If you have not read the book, novel, The Coolie, just read it children. A very good novel by Mulk Raj Anand. Now, let us enter into the story. I am not going to narrate you the story. Be very clear children, I am not going to narrate you the story. Just I am going to highlight things from the story which is going to help you read. Is it clear? I am not going to narrate you the story. I will highlight the elements of the story, and these elements will just motivate you to read the story. Are you ready to follow me then? Yes, you are ready to follow me. Let me start telling you the important points, the important elements of the story. Here, when you read the thing in the slide, what it is given? The Lost Child is a universal story written in the perspective of Indian village life. Village. You know the distinction of rural and urban. What is rural and what is urban, children? Have you come across the term urbanization in social? What is called urbanization? Urban. Urban means which speaks about a city life. Here, this story, The Lost Child, is a universal story. Universal story means this story, it has become like a universal story which is known throughout the universe, written in the perspective of Indian village life. The story is known throughout the universe, but this story is written with the style of Indian village life. We are always proud to say that we are Indians. Are you proud to say yourself that you are an Indian? I am proud enough to say that I am an Indian. We all have the same thought. So, that typical style of Indian village life is brought into the story over here. When you start reading the story, you will get deeply immersed into it. Okay, you will get deeply immersed into it. The character of the child will make you get deeply immersed into the story. And the essence of Indian village will be brought out there. I have a question for you. Which is your native place, children? Are you born in urban and are you brought up in urban? Okay, then which is the native place of your dad or which is the native place of your mom? It will be some village. Do you agree with me? You have to agree with me. Either your native will be a village or your parents' native will be a village. Have you been to your village, children? Have you been to your native place? We used to say, no, that is my village. Okay, my native place. We have a farm over there. We have a farmhouse over there. Have you been to your native place? But this summer vacation is really bad, children. We could not enjoy anything in our life. Complete lockdown due to this pandemic, corona pandemic. Yes, no? So, if it is going to be like casual, if there is no corona, if there is no pandemic, you would have a good vacation, summer vacation, where you would have traveled to your villages. And during the season of spring, during the season of April, there will be some festival in your village. How many of you have gone for festivals in your village during the spring season? Many of you. Okay. So you could see like in many of the villages, during the season of spring, there will be festival. The same essence is being brought out in the story over here. That is why it is given here. The story is written with the style of Indian village, but it is universally acknowledged story. Have you got the point which I am trying to tell you? Even though we live in cities, there will be a native place for us, and we always love to visit our village. Don't you, children? I love to visit my native place. And I love to visit my farmhouse all. I used to be there. I used to relax myself. I used to look at my farm over there. There will be a small mountain. Okay. These are the things which I used to enjoy. Typical Indian village life gives us a relaxation, children. Don't you agree? Yes, it gives us a relaxation. Come to the next slide. The next interesting element in the story. The Lost Child is all about thrilling as well as frightful. What is this word thrilling? Yeah, you could see each and every segment of the story will be thrilling. because there will be a big crowd. There will be a big crowd in the festival. Have you been to festivals, children? Have you been to celebrations in a village? The whole village people will be there to witness what is going on. You can see some petty shops, balloon vendors will be there, small sweet stalls will be there, and some playthings will be there, like you can go for a merry-go-round. You know what is called merry-go-round? And you can go for a giant wheel, a very big giant wheel, and some things like Titanic. So the whole village crowd will be there to witness everything what is going on. Have you been into such crowd, children? Have you been into such crowd? Have you been into any car procession festival? You know what is called car procession festival. How crowded it will be. And if you go for a car procession, we call it as Ter Tiruvilla, car procession. We go for a car procession, there will be a big crowd, and where your parents will say like, come on, get hold of my hand and you have to come with me. At any point you should not leave me. The same is happening in the story. The child is going to face some thrilling experience over here, and it is going to be a frightful experience of a small child. Are you interested in reading the story now? If you have not read the story, this story is going to give you a thrilling experience, a frightful experience of a small child. I think so. I have just given a spark to my children to read the story. And I hope so my children will read the story. Will you all read the story? Who accompanies his parents to a village fair on the occasion of a spring festival. A boy is going with his parents to a village fair. You know what is called fair. Fair is nothing but you will have maximum number of shops over there, petty shops. Like you will have some bangles, other things, cosmetics to get. You will have some petty shops with playthings. You will have some petty shops with sweet stalls. You can find all these things. That is called as fair. Exhibition, it will be like exhibition. Even in Perambalur we used to have exhibition during summer vacation all. During Sundays it will be heavily crowded. Have you come across that situation? So here a boy is going to a spring festival with his parents. A small boy is going to a spring festival with his parents. Are you clear with the story, children? And this story has a thrilling element in it. You have to read the story to know the thrilling element. Very good story, which is going to make you travel with it. Yes. If you are going to read it line by line, you will get into the imagination and you will just be in your wonderland of reading the story. Start reading the story, children. Don't always expect the teacher to give you what is given in the textbook. Cultivate the habit of reading. Reading habit will make you speak a lot. You will become a good speaker. You will become a good speaker. So start reading the story. 6 pages. You cannot stop. Like if you are being busy with something also, you will never stop. Only after completing the 6 pages, you will stop reading the story. I will promise you. So when this small child is traveling with his parent, what is his mood over there? Have you come across a word called as jubilation? We will celebrate. If we go to village with our parents all, we used to celebrate. So the mood of the child is, it is full of excitement, enthusiasm and curiosity. This can never stay from a children. Never, it cannot be kept away from a child. Yes, no, excitement. A child will always be excited. Even I have my daughter who is always excited to know things and who has a good enthusiasm, curiosity of knowing things. Why these are like this? Okay. He is very sensitive about the outside world and gets attracted towards everything. This is the quality of the child. This is the quality of the small children. When a small child is taken into the worldly life, they will have such quality